Look at that. I would love the colors in it. Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a copycat soup from Olive Garden, and it's called pasta fagioli, and I think it's going to be a really good soup. And so let me get started on it. The first step in this recipe is you brown your ground beef over medium-high heat. I have all these vegetables right next to me, and the onions may make me start crying in a minute because they're right next to me. I heard this soup was a really good soup, so I'm looking forward to it today. It's going to be a good day for it. Okay. All right. Now then I'm going to add in my onions. This is about a medium whole onion. And this is about 2 carrots. And 3 stalks of celery. So I'm going to saute these for about 6 minutes. My vegetables have been sauteing for about 6 minutes, and so I'm going to be adding in my garlic. That's about 3 cloves. I'm going to cook this for about a minute.
Marie, that soup sure is smelling good. If it tastes half as good as it smells, it's going to be great.
I've heard a lot of people really say it's good. I love all different kinds of soup. That's one of my favorite things I like to make is soups. And desserts. Okay. That's been cooking for about a minute. So now then I'm going to add in my other ingredients. I'm going to add in my tomato sauce. And my tomatoes. My beef broth. This is about 3 cans. this is about 2 cans. Okay, now I'm going to add in my water, my sugar, and my oregano, and basil. Okay, now I'm going to bring it to a boil. And when it comes to a boil, I'm going to reduce the heat and cook it on medium. Okay, my soup has been cooking and it's came up to a boil, so I'm going to turn it down to medium low and cook it for 5 minutes. And I'm going to cover it while it's cooking. Okay, my Fagioli soup has been cooking for 5 minutes. So I'm going to give it a stir. Okay. And now I'm going to add in my ditalini pasta. This is about 8 ounces. And I'm going to be cooking this for about 10 minutes. Okay, my Fagioli soup has been cooking about 10 minutes. And so now I'm going to add in the rest of my ingredients, which is a can of kidney beans. They've been rinsed and drained. And some cannellini beans. They've been rinsed and drained. Stir this up.
Marie, that really looks delicious.
I agree with you. I can't wait to have some for lunch. Okay. I'm going to let these beans cook for about a minute longer in here. I can smell that garlic bread too. That really smells good.
Gonna make a great lunch.
Yeah. And it is cold outside today, so it will. Soup always tastes better when it's cold. But I even eat it in the summertime. Soups are one of my favorites. A lot of people say that this copycat Fagioli soup is really good, so I hope it is. So I'm going to turn my eye off now, or burner, whichever one you want to call it. So now I'm going to add in my parsley. So let me dip me out of both. Look at that. I love the colors in it. Okay. I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese on it. Okay, it's the part that I really like best now, the taste test. This Fagioli soup is really delicious. It tastes wonderful. And I love all the colors in it. And if y'all try this soup, I think you're going to like it. And I think you're going to feel like you're at the Olive Garden. So, y'all do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye. Look at that. I love the colors in it.